Condition: brand new and high quality, well packed. Quantity: 1 ATV starter relay solenoid. Easy to use, great price. 3-month hassle-free return and money back. Please buy with confidence. Top reviews from the United States. Must buy. I have a 1986 Yamaha Virago 750. The main power relay on the bike went out and I was finding it hard to find an OEM part. Even though this part is not OEM, it fits the bike perfectly, and upon installation, the bike started up with no hesitation whatsoever. I would highly recommend this for older or newer bikes.